While you like set that up, I'm
Okay.
just going to give you some information.
Okay.
So, I'm just going to be walking with you through our website and maybe having you do a
Mhm.
task. I'm going to be showing you actually the mobile website, even though it's on your computer. It's just I want to get feedback on what you think. So it's gonna it's a mock-up of the website. So it's gonna be in a phone. It's not the real actual like URL and stuff. It's just kind of a fake version, so we can like look at the design and look at the functionality a little bit. And so not everything is clickable, not everything is functional, but you'll kind of get the idea once I send you the link. Um, but as you go through the site, I'm just going to ask you to think out loud as much as possible. Give me your feedback. I'm not associated with this company, so you can tell. We want to hear negative things regardless, but if you have anything negative to say, feel comfortable telling me. They want to improve the website as much as possible, and the negative things are how they continue to improve it. So tell me negative, tell me positive, and just we want to hear your honest reaction to what you're seeing. So if you have any questions as we go along, I'm going to try not to answer them just because I don't want to. I want to see how you would react to this without help if you were like on your phone looking at the website. So ask the questions so that I can know that it's not clear for you, but because that's helpful as well. But if you still have the questions at the end, I can definitely answer them then. So I'm going to record this today, our conversation and your screen. Is that okay with you? I can't hear you now. There you go.
You see my screen, or I
Yeah,
don't
I can see
know.
your screen. Yeah. So
Okay.
is it okay with you if we record this just so we can go
Yeah,
back?
that's fine.
Okay. So before I send you the website, I'm gonna just ask you a few just basic questions. Can you say your name, your school, and your year?
My name is Winnie. Do you need my last name, or is it just
That's fine.
okay? I'm a freshman at Brew College.
And what's your major? Have you declared a major yet?
Officially, I've been put as I put business communications, but I probably will change that to marketing or something, or digital media.
So, on average, how much time do you think you spend on the internet a week?
Oh gosh, I spend so much time. I don't know. I'd say at least 6 to 8 hours
A week
uh,
or a day?
a day.
Yeah. Okay. So, do you have any favorite websites or websites you spend a lot of time on?
It's probably Google Drive, Facebook. What else do I have? I actually don't know. Not sure actually.
Okay. So, I'm going to send you the website. Once again, just kind of scroll through, tell me what you think about what you're seeing. Don't click on anything yet, but you can scroll around and just kind of talk out loud as you read it. I sent it in the GoToMeeting.
Okay. Okay. Still don't know how this works.
The GoToMeeting.
Yes, very much.
You have the icon at the bottom right there.
Okay, there we go. All right. Oh,
So
it's like an iPhone kind of screen.
yeah, that's what I was saying earlier. That this is would be our mobile website. I know that you're not on your phone, you're on your computer, but just kind of want to get some feedback on how it would look on your phone.
I think it looks pretty plain. Like it's straightforward. I think it looks fine, honestly. Um,
And also
yeah.
not only how it looks on your phone, like if how what your reaction to what this website does, the way it looks, how we're presenting it to you in terms of text and all of that. So
I feel like it's. I feel like it's like a combo of like Quizlet and Chegg. That's what I'm guessing. Um.
you can scroll around too. Feel free to do that and see what.
Oh, okay. There's a lot more. Oh, okay. That helps. The best sites on the web. Populate. Are online. Oh, this is a lot like Chegg in my opinion. Um. because they often like send emails to me about like the tutoring stuff and how it's like 24/7 kind of thing. But the difference is like they like yours website here mentions like food and deals, which is very convenient, I suppose. Yeah, Chegg with the textbooks, Quizlet with the flashcards. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, that's actually really useful if they have like all of these in one app, which is very interesting.
Mm-hmm. So now that you've kind of seen the this one page, can you kind of summarize what you think this website does?
I think it's basically like Quizlet and Chegg and also like food and deals all in one single app, which is very useful in terms of instead of navigating multiple apps, it's just like one, which is very interesting. And also jobs as well.
So, based on what you're seeing, what kind of feeling are you getting from this website? Don't click on anything yet other than the scroll.
Wait, sorry. Can you ask the question again? Sorry.
Yeah, what kind of feeling does this website give you?
Um, I think it's a pretty good overall app in general, just like by looking at it. It's simple, it's clean, it's pretty easy to find what I need if I needed anything. Yeah, looks very straightforward and to the point, which is appreciated.
Okay, so don't do it yet, but what do you think would happen if you clicked into the search bar?
It probably if I wanted like I don't know, like a study sheet of I don't know, I'm having a calculus exam or something. I'll probably put in calculus and it'll give me a bunch of like unit like I guess like courses of calculus or something. And then like if I needed a textbook, I would like search in like textbook name and it would like give me textbook names and like how much it would be. Tutors, I'm not really sure about tutors, but yeah, I'm not really sure about the tutors part actually because if I was just using this website like as like a first time person, I wouldn't really know what to put in for that. So that's a little bit kind of confusing for me in that part, I guess.
Good to know. So go ahead and click into the search bar and kind of tell me your reactions to what you see when you do that.
Oh, okay, that's pretty helpful. That's like a
Don't,
suggestion.
yeah, don't
Okay.
click on anything, sorry.
It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, class notes and calculus. That's
Yeah.
what I did there. Yeah. I don't know what else to say, but like, yeah, it's very useful in terms of the like the stuff that it offered, like in like tutors or textbooks or jobs. Like, that's like the suggestions are pretty useful in terms of what you can go to look for on the website.
Okay. So go ahead and click, because it's a mock-up, you can't type, so click on class notes and calculus and we'll just
Okay.
pause when you get there and I'm going to actually have you do a task. So
Okay.
first, before we get into the task, what do you think of this pop-up?
Oh, you can tailor the results to. I mean, like, I guess so. It's pretty useful in terms of on your school and classes, unless it's not very, I guess, updated with the current school with their classes or teachers or something like that. I actually did see a little bit of the things on the search results, and I thought that's already really helpful.
Mm-hmm.
Would this be like a free app, or would you have to pay for it in terms of?
What do you think, based on what you've seen?
Honestly, like this, I feel like it'd be like a check kind of thing. They have like a free version, but also like a paid version. So I'm gonna presume like this is like there will be a paid version and a free version as well.
Okay.
Because yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to have you do a task.
Okay.
I want you to personalize it, but don't click it yet. All right, 1 second. Just trying to find the meeting. I'm going to type it to you so you have it, but for the purpose of this, imagine you're a Michigan student and you're trying to personalize it.
Okay.
And so you go to University of Michigan and you're in 2 classes, Calc 1100 and Stat 101.
Okay.
And you want to personalized. So go ahead, and it's going to autofill for you if you have to type or anything because it's a mock-up. But
Okay.
go ahead and tell me also as you go along what you think of the screens and what you think of how it looks and how it interacts with you.
It's pretty aesthetically pleasing that like it's easy to find things, but obviously if there's more schools, then it'll be a little bit harder to find if it's not alphabeticalized.
What would you do if there were more schools? How would you find it?
I probably would search it I would probably go through the search results, and if they didn't have it or something, I would actually go through and see if they had my school. And it would definitely help if it was alphabetically all done.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. So University of Michigan. For the class that I'm taking, I'd probably just type it in.
Yeah, you can do that if you want.
I also do appreciate that they have the classes alphabeticalized, so it's easier to find things. Oh wait, they don't have calc, do they?
Oh, sorry, I said the wrong class. Econ 1100.
That's okay.
Econ 1100.
That's fine. Econ 1100. Okay. And what was the other one? Stat
101.
Okay. There's stat 1030 and stat 50. Oh, there we go. 1010?
No, stat 101.
Oh, sorry. No. I don't think I see stat 101. It's just me. I see 1030 and 1531.
So what do you think you would do now?
Honestly, if they didn't have that class, and those are the two classes I was looking for, I would just probably look for that one class and then use another. I'd probably just Google something for stat or something. So yeah. Should I just press done?
No, I'm going to have you stay right here.
Okay.
So you were scrolled back down. You were kind of looking around a bit down there.
Mhm.
You notice that add course button.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
So you didn't notice that when you were kind of looking around?
Yeah, I was just presuming that these were the ones that were there. But yeah, should I go for add class? I mean, add course.
Would you add courses if you had the opportunity to?
I feel like I wouldn't think of adding a course.
Okay.
Because I wouldn't know what they would offer, I think. Because I'm presuming if I press which classes that I'm taking and that is there, I'm gonna presume that there are other people who have made study sheets for that particular class. So I'm not really sure. Like it would just start something, but it wouldn't really get me anything. That's what I'm thinking. That's why I just looked at what they had right there. I wouldn't add another class.
Okay. So go ahead. For the purpose of this, just click add course.
Okay. So it would be stat 101. Okay, so add. Do I go ahead and?
I'm refraining from like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wait, do I just stay here or do I continue?
Continue. You can keep going.
Okay. So to add that class. I presume I'm not taking any other classes, so I guess I'm gonna press done.
So let's go here. What did you think about that process?
I don't really know, but I'm just gonna presume that it's gonna give me I guess the classes that I'm taking in like study sheets in that class. I feel like instead of putting both econ and stat, like the study sheets just jumbled together, it would have been nice to have like this kind of I don't know what they're called, but like you basically just shift back and forth in tabs or something. Like you press like I don't know, if there was a tab here, it would say like econ. You press that, and like there are study sheets for that class that search up for this in the search results. And then like you press another tab like right next to it that says like stat 101. Oh wait, no, that doesn't make sense because then you just added a class and there's nothing. Oh, then I really don't know actually. Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like I feel like somebody who's trying to find like a class would not be they wouldn't try to add a course because then they wouldn't have anything to contribute because they're looking for like a study sheet.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Yeah. So now you can just kind of scroll around this page. Don't touch anything yet, but let me know what you're thinking about this page and the way it looks, the way it feels, what you're seeing.
I would probably just click it and just see what they have and see what the search results I guess give me. I think this general layout is pretty good. I don't really see anything wrong with it. Definitely, I would probably use the filter or the sort section just to make it easier to find if I'm finding something in particular, like definite integrals or something like that. But yeah, having like filters for like alphabeticalized or relevancy and stuff like that would be helpful. Yeah, I don't know if that helped or so.
So what filters do you think you would see? Don't click on it yet, but
I probably see alphabeticalized relevance. What else is there? I don't know. Maybe like the most recent that somebody created. I'm presuming. Wait. For these study sheets, did someone like a user made them, or is it like an, I don't know, like an approved user who made them or something? Because how like reliable would these study sheets be?
I'm not gonna answer that yet. I'll answer that at the end.
Okay.
But what do
Okay.
you think? What do you think it would be?
Not really sure because yay. Honestly, I would probably have to see I would probably look at the study sheet to see how reliable it would be and how useful it would relate to my class that I'm taking. But yeah, like a lot of these, I appreciate how like they have like the topics of like the topics in like calculus, but the one about like report states of 5 and then Smith, that just really doesn't flow right with me, if that makes any sense.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, like I would probably use this page to find study sheets if I need them for class or like a test.
And so you were talking about filters before. You can go ahead and click the filter button.
Okay.
What do you think about this page that you're seeing?
My first reaction was a bit, I didn't really like it how it took up the entire page, but I also understand. Yeah, Calc 102? Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, so we're pretending that you added all of these classes. So
Okay.
courses.
Okay, then that's, I don't think people would know that if you press filter, then all the courses that you chose would be there.
Mm-hmm.
That would be kind of hard to find. And I probably myself would be a little lost with that. Yeah, date, relevance, sources. I'm not really sure about sources because some of them can be considered reliable, some of them are like okay. And I know that Course Hero, they have what's it called? Like you would have to have like an account or something, or you have to pay for their study sheets. So I don't really know how that's gonna work. But yeah, I don't know what else I would add though. I'm not sure if I would add anything. Yeah, I don't know if that helped.
No, that's good. So you can go press apply. So it had automatically clicked Calc 102 for you.
Okay. I'm not sure how they arrange this because it looks like they just arranged what I saw before and then just kind of did some arranging. I don't know.
Okay.
Uh,
But what do you think would happen if you clicked on the red flashcard button? Don't do it yet, but what do you think would happen?
Okay. I think probably kind of like Quizlet, like people would make flashcards for that topic, and it'd be like the front of a flashcard, the back of a flashcard, kind of like sets, and then you would probably click one, and then it would open up to see like both sides of a flashcard kind of thing, like kind of like Quizlet or so.
Okay, so you can go ahead and click on it and let me know what you're seeing.
Oh, it's kind of like the same kind of format as study documents. It seems like the same thing, but and probably that's probably for the beta app purposes, I guess. There's not too much to say, but it definitely really helps that there are like multiple tabs, so you can find like what you're looking for one certain class or subject.
Okay. So now that you've seen a bunch of pages and kind of gone through a few different scenarios on this website, what do you think? How does this website make you feel?
I feel like this would probably be something that would be useful for me if I could access at least a few study sheets and actually help me for my tests or anything. I'd probably use it for a bunch of my classes if I can access the study sheets.
Okay. Do you use any of those websites already?
I use Quizlet sometimes, Chegg sometimes, Coursera not that much.
Do you pay for Chegg?
I do not.
Okay, so do you have any questions for me?
I don't really think so.
What do you, so you do feel like you would use this website?
Yeah, definitely. And it's also very useful if it's like also an app. So for on the go, that really helps.
Would you use it more on your phone or on your computer?
I think it'd be kind of half and half or so because I would probably spend like the night before maybe like looking at a bunch of these that I've already like bookmarked.
Mm-hmm.
It would have been it would be really nice if like if like there's like an account or something you already have an account in the app, and then it'll like on the side it'll show like which study sheets you've like bookmarked or something, or like the last few bookmarks that you've like seen or something, so that it's easier for me to just go into like my bookmarks or whatever and like look at the ones that I've like started or something, and then just look at those so I know that like that's where I was looking at before or something like that. And like for the like to have the app on my phone, like it'll be really useful to when I'm getting to school or something. I can like still look at it on the subway, so I'm still kind of studying. That's what I do a little bit sometimes with Quizlet. So yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for chatting with me today. It was really, really helpful. And I'm going to